Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we're making a Texas-style barbecue macaroni salad that will be the star of your next dinner or summer party. With loads of pasta, crisp veggies, and a tangy, spicy barbecue dressing, I can and have eaten this macaroni salad all day, every day, and it just gets better and better over time. Here's a quick look at our ingredients, and I've listed them and the entire recipe in the description box below. To get started, prepare about 12 ounces of macaroni, cooking it in boiling salted water until it's really tender, and then drain and set it aside to cool. Next, chop 1/2 to 1 cup of peppers. I'm using a mix of yellow, orange, and red to add color to the salad. Finely chop 1 green onion. Then chop 2 stalks of celery. This recipe is super easy to customize with your favorite vegetables. Feel free to include corn, tomatoes, cucumbers, avocados. Once you're done chopping, add all of the veggies to a large bowl. Now to make the barbecue sauce. Measure out 1 cup of mayonnaise. Add a 1/2 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. We only have sriracha right now. You can use your favorite and add more if you like things spicy. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder and about 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then stir this all up and add it to the chopped vegetables. Add the cooked and cooled macaroni and mix everything together. And if you're new to our channel, we'll show you how to make homemade food that's easy, delicious, and perfect for sharing with everyone you love. Subscribe to find out when we've posted a new recipe. Just let this chill for at least 4 hours or overnight. And I like to top this barbecue macaroni salad with Trader Joe's chili lime seasoning or tahini seasoning for an extra delicious, spicy, and limey kick. Hey, if you like this recipe, consider sharing our channel with a friend, and if you love to entertain, check out our Easy Dinners playlist. Here's another recipe I think you'll like, and I'll see you in the next video.